Looking for a reliable replacement cartridge for your Neopost IS-280 or Hassler IM-280 mailing machine? This direct-compatible cartridge delivers consistent performance with up to 2,500 clear imprints in fluorescent red ink. It's designed to fit perfectly and work seamlessly, so your mailing tasks stay smooth and efficient. Manufactured under strict quality controls, this cartridge undergoes multiple machine tests before packaging to ensure it's ready for the field. It matches or exceeds OEM standards, offering a dependable alternative to ISINK2, IMINK2, and Shurjet 4145144H cartridges. You get the same great results without the premium price tag. Installation is straightforward. Just remove the red-orange tab, pull out the old cartridge, and slide this one in. Clear instructions come with the product, making the swap quick and hassle-free, even if you're not tech-savvy. It's a simple upgrade that keeps your mailing machine running without interruption. What really sets this cartridge apart is the 90-day warranty, giving you peace of mind with every purchase. Plus, Amazon's same-day shipping means you won't be waiting around for your replacement. This combination of quality, convenience, and support makes it a smart choice for anyone who relies on their mailing machine daily. If you value durability and consistent print quality, this cartridge delivers exactly that. It's built with premium materials and backed by a 100% satisfaction guarantee. Customers across the United States praise its ease of use and reliable performance, proving it's a trusted solution for busy offices. Whether you're a small business or a large mailing center, this cartridge keeps your operations moving without costly downtime. It's designed specifically for the USA market, ensuring compatibility and optimal results. No more worrying about poor print quality or compatibility issues. Worth a look if you want to maintain professional mail presentation while controlling expenses. This cartridge blends quality, affordability, and convenience into one dependable product. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your mailing machine's ink supply with confidence. Ready to make the switch? Choose this direct-compatible cartridge for your Neopost IS-280 or Hassler IM-280 mailing machine and experience hassle-free installation, vibrant fluorescent red prints, and reliable performance backed by a solid warranty. Your mail deserves nothing less.